Assalamualaikum, dear students. Today we will do exercise 7b. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. The blank one is adjacent angles have a common side and a common vertex. Adjacent angles are those angles which have a common arm and a common vertex. Number B है if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are complementary. We know that two angles whose sum is 90 degree are known as complementary angle. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. We know we cannot find the dash of 90 degree angle. We cannot find the complement of 90 degree. If an angle is 85 degree, its supplementary angle will be 180 degree minus 85, that is 95 degree. So we can say that the supplement of 85 degree is 95 degree. Question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. The supplementary angles of a right angle is a right angle. It is true because 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. The complementary angle of 50 degree is 140 degree. It is false because complementary angle are those two angles whose sum is 90 degree, and 50 plus 140 is 190 degree. That's why it is wrong. Adjacent angle share a common vertex. Of course, because adjacent angle have a common vertex, it is true. If angle ABC is equal to 120 degree and angle KLM equal to 60 degree, then they are supplementary angles. It is true because the sum of 120 degree and 60 degree is 180 degree. The supplementary angle of an acute angle is also an acute angle. We know that supplementary angle are those two angles whose sum is 180 degree, and if one angle is acute, suppose it is 60 degree, then its supplement will be 180 degree minus 60 degree, that will be 120 degree, which is obtuse angle. This implies that it is false because the complement and the supplementary of acute angle is not an acute angle. Exercise 7b, question number 3. Select the correct option from the given options. A है हमारे पास the supplementary angle of 70 degree is. We know that supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. So the supplement of 70 degree will be equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is 110 degree. B angle XYZ equals to 40 degree and angle PQR equal to 60 degree are not adjacent angle because they don't. When we draw these two angles, it is clear that these two angles don't have a common arm and a common vertex. We know that adjacent angles are those two angles whose which have a common arm and a common vertex. So they don't have a common vertex. Complementary angles are those two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Complementary angle of 10 degrees. We know that complementary angles are those two angles whose sum is 90 degree, and for angle 10, the complement of angle 10 is 90 degree minus 10 equals to 80 degree. 100 degree and 80 degree angles are, when we add them, we will get 180 degree. We know that the angle whose sum is 180 degree are known as supplementary angle. Now our next topic is complementary angles. Two adjacent angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. Now we have two adjacent angles, angle ABC and angle CBD. The measurement of angle ABC is 35 degree and the measurement of angle CBD is 55 degree, and their sum is 35 degree plus 55 degree equals to 90 degree. It means angle ABC and angle CBD are complementary angles, and we can say that angle ABC is the complement of angle CBD and complement of angle CBD is angle ABC. To find the complement of any angle, we will subtract the given angle from 90 degree, so we will get the complement of given angle. Now for supplementary angles, Similarly, two adjacent angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. That is, they lie on the straight line. We know that the measurement of the straight angle is 180 degree. So we can say that two angles are said to be supplementary angle if they lie on the same line and their sum is 180 degree. For example, here we have two angle RST whose measurement is 130 degree, and the second one is TSU whose measurement is 50 degree. And if we will add them, their sum is 180 degree. So we can say that the supplement of angle RST is angle TSU, and the supplement of angle TSU is angle RST. These two angles are called supplement of each other. To find any supplementary angle for the given angle, we will subtract the given angle from 180 degree. So we will find the supplement of the given angle.